Thank you and welcome into this video. I would like to walk you through the issue of erroneous principal tax after correctly filing your return and doing correct self-assessment, and then going and ending up downloading the acknowledgement receipt, which usually show in some scenarios zero tax due. You end up getting that you have an outstanding principal tax, and a lot of people usually start blaming the revenue authority that is putting debts which they don't owe them. But the real issue is here. The issue usually occur due to incorrect or omission in remittance of pay by your accountant. So in some scenario, you notice that the accountants fail to remit pay for some months. And these usually translate to shifting the burden to you as the employee. And the problem with this is because the principal tax which has been passed as a burden to you, it starts accruing interest and penalties because even some people don't recognize that they have an outstanding principal tax. They end up noticing this when they are downloading the tax compliance certificate. So in this video, I would like to make it granular and explain to you the nitty-gritties which you need to confirm so that you can notice where this error is coming from. So with no much ado, let us get started. So what you need to do first, you need to sign in into the iTax portal. To sign into the iTax portal, you just need to populate your KRA pin here and then hit continue. Then input your password and do some simple mathematical computation here. In case you have forgotten your password, just forget and do the resetting. Then here you get the value of 68. Then you need to log in. So I got a poor arithmetic error here. So you just redo it again here, just simple. So just add 152 plus this one where you get 161. I don't think I'm wrong again because I'm having a problem there. So we have signed in. When you sign in, basically, this is how your iTax interface usually look like. What do you need to do first? First, come and confirm the value of the principal tax which you are supposed to pay. So when we come here, we just come here where we have payment, come to where we have payment registration. When we come to where we have payment registration, just a minute, I fix something here. Just a minute. I wanted to shift because I was using Safaricom internet, which has went down. So hopefully we shall be able to continue with this. So you just need to come to where you have payment registration. Hopefully to continue. That is around the circular internet so that I can restart again and get back to the portal. Just a minute. Okay. We have said you can come to where we have payment registration. Let me repeat it again for simplicity. Then you need to click next. Then click OK to proceed. When you click OK to proceed, you shall be taken into this interface. So this interface is basically confirming the principal tax which you have so that you can be able to understand this value before, so that you can be able so that to identify where it is emanating from, you must know what is the value of principal tax which you are being demanded to pay. Come to where we have income tax, then come to where we have income tax resident, then choose the mode of payment. You can say I can choose the payment type first, self-assessment, so that we can get the tax due here. So you can see in the year dating back from 1st January 2025 to 31st December 2025, I'm getting this principal tax. Let us copy it here. I just put it in my calculator because we shall use it somewhere. So let me copy it here. Then from there, you need first to come and view how your returns were filed in case you didn't do them yourself. So come to where we have view filed return, because maybe if you go to the cyber cafe and you give these things, sometimes they can do you vitu zingine hauelewi. So we come here and first we check the original return, how it was done for this period, here. So, and then consult. So first you are supposed to check the original return, and then you go and check the amended return. So when you check the original return, we can see the value of tax due which was submitted from this KRA. So we scroll down, and we come here. You can see the tax due which was found in the original return was a value of 806. Then there was an amendment which was done to this value. So you come here and select amendment. Just confirm, even if you usually give this work to be done for you, you don't do it yourself. So you come here and you view again, so that you notice what really happened. Before you blame your accountant, just first realize what was cooked, the cake which was baked. You can notice an amendment was done where there was a tax due of 0.040. So a question now arises here. Where is this discrepancy coming from? That is the question which we need to answer. So I'll get back to you to something which I said. Technically, earlier on, KRA had not introduced these ledgers, integrated these ledgers into the iTax portal, but they have done a lot of work and introduced these ledgers. So what is these ledgers? These ledgers, you can be able to monitor how your accountants are remitting the pay amount to the revenue authority. And what are we supposed to do? Just come to where we have general ledgers. Where we have general ledgers, come to where we have the transaction type. Transaction type is self-assessment. Then choose the account type. The account type is taxpayer main account. Then come to where we have tax head. Choose income tax resident. Then come to where we have return period is from January to December 2025. Then, with no much ado, show ledgers. Show us the ledgers. So the ledgers will populate here. You can see we are getting the amount which was, this is a summary, but I'll get to the detail. You can see the amount which I am supposed to pay, the debit amount is 46,041, but the amount which was credited to iTax is 38,499, and that's where we are getting this discrepancy of 75, or variance of 75, 115.20, which is the principal tax which you get there. And that is to mean there are some months which the accountant did it remit this amount to the revenue authority. So what I'll do, I'll open the whole page. So I want us to count the months where this amount was credited to the revenue authority. Let me show you. We can go and count. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So only 10 months were remitted to iTax. And in order to assess this, there are 2 months which are missing during this range. So you just need first to identify the format of the months. So you can see these months are moving in the trajectory of DD, date, month, YYY. So tunaanzia na month, we are starting with the day, we go to the month, and then we go to the year. So check where there were omission. So where there were omissions, there are different months here. So capture those months. In this scenario, you can see we have the month of February, the remittance was done correctly. Month of March, the remittance was there. So identify the months which are missing. Just checking this, you can notice December is not there. December, and another month here which is missing, but I'm sure December is not there. We also rack another month, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So there is also the month of January is missing. So in my case, I'm racking December and January. So when you're going to the accountant, just have the clue of the month which you are missing in your case. So in order to do even simple analysis of these, you can export it, or we are exporting it to Excel. So when you export it to Excel, doing analysis will be very easy, but it's just giving an error here, but you can export it to Excel or into PDF. So that is how we assess where the erroneous principal tax is originating from. Also, all is not done. You can come also to the general ledger report. This is a comprehensive report which you can be able to assess it yourself. This is a comprehensive report where you can get self-assessment, penalties, and so on and so forth. And you can choose the tax head in case you are dealing with income tax, then show ledgers. Show ledgers. So when you show the ledgers, you can see all the periods they are appearing here. This is a comprehensive ledger from time immemorial when you started making remittance to the Revenue Authority. So this is what you need to know before you blame iTax is shifting the burden of tax to you. Just understand the scenario where this is emanating from. So this is what I wanted to share with you. In case you have any query regarding these discrepancies, auditing of your iTax portal, income tax, VAT, or any tax question, you can reach us using our contact in the description, and also using the email, and we shall answer you promptly. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day ahead.